Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun, interactive back-to-school backpack card. This is perfect if you have a child in your life that is going back to school, or it's great for a thank you teacher gift. And the first thing we're going to do, after you have folded on all the perforations of your card, we are going to put the backpack front to the backpack back. Just stack it right there on top. Super simple, super easy, and that is the base of your card, almost all the way complete. Now you are going to put the backpack pockets on, and after you have added all of those pockets on top of the flaps, you're going to add the zippers. And again, that is the front of your card. Super simple to complete. And after you have that done, make the elements that are going to go in the card. You have the pencil, the crayon, and the pink eraser. These are super quick and simple to make, and you're just going to glue them inside the pouches where they fit. This is just adds a touch of extra fun and whimsy to your card that is not expected. Filled your backpack, it's time to make the straps, which are what make this card the most interactive and unique in my opinion. And I am using patterned paper to just add a punch of fun to this card. You can opt to leave this piece off if you don't want to use the extra paper. And the part that is going to make our straps actually mobile is the ribbon and what the little piece that is called the strap adjuster. And to do this, you're going to thread your ribbon through that adjuster, just like you would if you were making a real backpack or fixing your real backpack. And we're just going to tape that ribbon to the back of that to make it very secure. And once you have that all ready to go, we are going to put a foam mounting square on the back of that and put that adjuster on the strap of the backpack card. And you're going to thread your ribbon through that hole that is punched to the back of your card and just adjust it so it's the height and angle you want it to be. Might take a little bit of fiddling. And once you get that strap adjusted how you want, you're going to open your card up, pull the ribbon to the front, and you are just going to cut off the excess ribbon and put a piece of tape at the top of the ribbon. That's just going to hold everything in place, and you don't have to worry about that piece showing for your recipient because you are going to put a blank white piece that they can write in right there. And just repeat this process a second time for your other strap. It works the exact same way. Put your blank white writing piece on inside the card over those ribbons, and it just looks like it threads right through. Can't see anything ugly, and you have the perfect adorable card to share with somebody that is going back to school or a wonderful thank you for a teacher. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.